Do you still remember the Cobra attack helicopter, donated to us by Jordan? In late 2019, the Philippine Air Force received 2 units of used Bell AH-1 Cobra attack helicopters from Jordan as a donation. According to a news report, the said attack helicopters were found to have been configured to launch TOW missiles, tube-launched, optically tracked, wire-guided missiles, and spike and loss, non-line-of-sight, anti-tank missiles. And it was said that it will soon be ready for combat. Due to the growing demand for air power in counterinsurgency missions, the Philippine Air Force leadership made some organizational changes last June 2020. Such changes, the ACC now manages tactical air and special operations missions, where the 15th Strike Wing will work closely with the 710th Special Operations, as well as Philippine Air Force's Elite Rapid Deployment Force. The 15th Strike Wing remains at its headquarters at Sangli Point, Cavite Province, but will eventually relocate to Lumbia Airport in Cagayan de Oro City. According to Air Force Chief Lieutenant General Alan Paredes in June, these rapid changes are of great help to ensure that the units are reliably responsive in support of the increasing combat demands of the armed forces. This is the way to build a stable combat posture and sustain our advantages for ongoing internal security operations campaigns against the enemies of the state.